Our detailed comparisons are made possible by users who subscribe. Please support us and subscribe.
So, I'm looking at two renewed super-automatic espresso machines, the Philips 5400 LatteGo and the Breville Barista Touch. Both are pretty fancy, right?
Yeah, definitely in the same ballpark. First thing I notice is weight. The Breville is significantly heavier, like almost 8 pounds heavier. That's a big difference, if you're moving it around.
True. The Philips is around 18.6 pounds, and the Breville is 26.2 pounds. Space is also a factor. The dimensions are close, but the Breville is overall bigger. What about the actual coffee making?
Okay, the Philips boasts 12 different coffee options at the touch of a button and has a LatteGo system for milk frothing. It's really focused on ease of use, customizable with an extra shot function.
Right, and it's got ceramic grinders that Philips says are good for 20,000 cups. That's a lot of coffee. What about the Breville?
The Breville also has automatic milk frothing and a pre-infusion function. It has a TFT color touchscreen. It comes with some accessories like a milk jug and cleaning tools.
So, touchscreen versus buttons. And the Philips has a 12-step grinder adjustment. Does the Breville have that many?
It just says adjustable dial for the grind setting, no specific number of steps, but it does use PID temperature control for consistent brewing temperature, which is pretty cool.
Temperature control is key. The Philips has an aroma extract system that keeps the water between 90 and 98 degrees Celsius. So both are aiming for optimal temperature.
Yeah, it seems like the Breville is more about precise control and the Philips is more about convenience and variety. One thing, though, the Breville is currently unavailable.
Oh, bummer. The Philips is in stock, and it's got a decent rating of 4.1 stars and lots of reviews. The Breville has a perfect 5-star rating, but only 7 reviews.
And the Philips is cheaper at $799. That Breville is going to be pricey.
Yeah, it really comes down to whether I want a super user-friendly machine with lots of preset options, or something a bit more hands-on with precise controls and if I can even find a Breville. Thanks for the breakdown. Don't miss out on our next in-depth review to help you make smarter purchasing decisions. Hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you're always in the know.